Hi, nandito naman tayo sa kwentong ICU. My name is Alvin and ang tatalakayin ko ngayon is about the Critical Care Nurse Certification. Ito yung certification na pwede nating makuha para madagdag sa ating credential. And in fact, pwede natin itong idugtong sa pangalan natin na CCRN sa dulo. For example, name, RN, CCRN. It's just a certification, pero marami kang benefits na makukuha dito. Like yung learning mo, self-learning mo, kasi mas maganda kung mas marami kang alam doon sa ginagawa mo, mas mararamdaman mo na expert ka sa ginagawa mo. Ang tanong, kailangan pa ba yun? Necessary pa ba dito yun? Ang tanong ng marami. Marami kasing employers na di naman nagdadagdag ng rate if you got CCRN. Depende rin sa location mo. If you will try to job hunt sa mga lugar like California, many employers there even require getting those certifications. If you opt to work in the critical care like ICU, CVICU, or SICU, for me, it's not just for money. It's the quality of the work that matters. Sabi nga nila, you do what you love and money will follow. So I chose to improve and opted to take that exam to master what I needed to know. It took me like 3 months for me to study. Medyo mabagal kasi yung pacing ko and di naman masyadong nagmamadali, and para mas optimal ang learning experience. So I used Barron's Reviewer. I even purchased the reviewer offered by AACN, the test maker themselves. Sila yung gumawa ng exam, so mas maganda, naisip ko na bumili ng reviewer sa kanila. But I read some comments na masyado daw madali yung question bank nila compared sa ibang offers like TAS CCRN or CCRN Academy. About sa exam, I would say na nahirapan ako dito kaysa sa NCLEX. Bakit? Kasi obligado akong tapusin yung 150 items na natapos ko halos 3 hours. So halos 3 hours ako umupo dun. Hindi katulad nung nag-NCLEX ako noon nung 2019, I only got 75 questions, only roughly for 1 hour. So CCRN took a lot of effort for me when it comes to the exam. But of course, mas rigid yung preparation ko sa NCLEX noon. After I took the exam at the testing center malapit dito sa tinitirahan namin, nalaman ko kagad yung result and they mailed my certificate. Alright, and sa mga nagpaplano mag-take, all the best. And masasabi ko, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you like this.